Hey guys, Pat Tokuyama here. Today I wanted to review some of my favorite tools that I use for my live streaming and video production. So the very last item that I had here for our review today is the Elgato-mounted green screen. So that's what I have there in the background. I got this because I wanted to have something that was going to be easy to pull out and easy to put away. So my previous green screen required 2 stands plus a bunch of clips, and then either a pole to go horizontally or another stand in the back. So 3 stands total to keep everything taut and hanging vertically the way that it's supposed to. Because you know, if your green screen is not flat, then your green screen effect may not look the way that it should. So this actually met both of those requirements, and so far, very happy with it. It's really wide. I was looking for something that was wider than some of the more compact ones that you can actually just pull up. So this is a top down. There's some that go bottom up, so you can pull those up. Elgato makes one as well. And this one is a little bit wider and seems like a better option as far as the build and convenience. So some of the pros, it was very easy to set up. It took like 5 minutes. All I had to do was mount the device there into my wall. It's also very wide at 6 feet, 6 inches. It's plenty of space for one person, maybe 2 people if you guys are close together. And then it also saves space and is easy to store. Those are some of the pros. Some of the cons, it did not come with mounting hardware. So I had some hardware already. If you don't have any screws, or if you're putting it into your wall or ceiling, you might need some anchors to ensure that it's mounted properly. Second is, although it's I think 76 or 78 inches long vertically, if you're mounting it really high, like on your ceiling, or your ceiling is high, it may not be long enough to go all the way to the ground. So mine actually doesn't touch the ground. There's probably about 8 inches or so of space between the ground. So if you're looking for a screen where you want that whole area covered, then you're gonna have to either mount it lower or figure out something else to do instead. So hopefully that helps you in your journey there with a green screen, finding the best one, as well as all of the other things that you might be considering for a live stream or your video production. All right, I think that was it. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.